This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Patriot 9R Pro RMK or Khaos Slash. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the front bumper, two side panels. Remove the left side panel to access the oil injection reservoir, drive clutch spreader tool, clutch assembly, spark plug socket, spare belt holder, spark plug holder on the back of the belt holder, and the fuse panel. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the headlight adjustment, exhaust silencer, pressure cap, coolant overflow bottle, brake system, quick drive belt, battery if equipped, and a smaller battery on non-electric start models that will retain GPS data on the 7S display for up to 30 minutes. In both footwells, you'll find the adjustable tow hooks. In the right footwell, you'll find a battery charging port. The front suspension contains the shock assembly with preload adjustment and compression adjustment. Control arms, tie rods, sway bar and links, spindles, ski spacers, ski rubber, skis, skags underneath the skis, and the Northwoods trails. Once on the seat, you'll see the 7S display, storage compartment behind the display, USB plug inside the storage compartment, the Big and Little Dipper, and the group ride antenna. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, and the electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine run-stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the four fasteners in the center. Below the handlebars are the intake screens, heated grips control switch, headlight dimmer switch, safety tether, key switch, fuel cap, and the recoil handle. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter strap, rail slides, scratcher, front track shock with preload adjustment, and compression adjustment, rear track shock with preload adjustment, and compression adjustment, front and rear grease zerks on the front torque arm, front and rear grease zerks on the rear torque arm, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The VIN label is located on the right side of the vehicle above the running board. The VIN is also stamped in the same location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.